Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. This is the tallest building in Jamaica. It now stands at 20 floors, but it's going all the way to 28 floors. It will be the tallest building in Jamaica and the English-speaking Caribbean. Now, this is also the fastest moving development in Jamaica. They go up one floor on average in about 2 weeks. I've never seen a development move this fast. So today we are going to talk about the contractor that's building this building. Now, you would think it's China Harbour Engineering Company, but it's not China Harbour Engineering Company. It's actually a Jamaican company. A Jamaican company. The name of the company is Brothers Concepts and Solutions Limited. They were established in 2022 in Montego Bay. And this company is what you call a game changer. This is not their first mega development in Jamaica. They have built numerous buildings, malls, etc. in Jamaica. But this is definitely their flagship project. 28 floors moving at lightning speed. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this Jamaican company. And I must say, Jamaican companies, when you think of these mega developments, you don't usually think of a Jamaican company. So you have to say job well done to this company. In Jamaica's rapidly evolving construction landscape, few companies have made as striking an impact in such a short time as Brothers Concepts and Solutions Limited. Established in 2022 in Montego Bay, the firm has quickly grown into one of the island's most recognized general engineering contractors, carrying out projects that are reshaping the built environment and redefining standards of innovation, speed, and quality in construction. At its core, BCSL reflects a story of entrepreneurial vision and resilience. Rooted in the ambition of Chinese immigrants who saw opportunities for growth in Jamaica, the company embodies a spirit of partnership between global knowledge and local application. In just a few years, it has managed to complete around 10 projects and secure contracts valued at more than 2 billion Jamaican dollars. Such rapid expansion is rare in the industry and points not only to the company's competence, but also to its ability to win the trust of clients and investors. The company's portfolio demonstrates both breadth and sophistication. On the commercial side, BCSL has been involved in landmark projects such as the Harbour City shopping mall, a massive 200,000 square foot development that promises to transform retail in Western Jamaica. In residential construction, they have undertaken luxury projects like Villa Thai in Westmoreland, the Montego Bay Racket Club condominiums, and Soleil in Freeport, blending high-rise sophistication with tropical elegance. Yet the company has also extended its expertise to more inclusive developments such as the Bernard Lodge housing project in Portmore, contributing to Jamaica's pressing need for affordable housing solutions. Among the most high-profile undertaking is the Pinnacle, a luxury mixed-use development in Montego Bay. This project has brought international attention not only for its scale but also for its use of cutting-edge construction technology. BCSL introduced hydraulic static press pile machines to Jamaica, the first time such technology has been deployed in the Caribbean. Unlike traditional pile driving equipment, these machines drive foundation piles silently and with far less environmental disruption. The technology operates at remarkable efficiency, achieving work speeds up to 30 times faster than conventional methods. This breakthrough not only ensures stability for the Pinnacle's 28-story towers, but also leaves behind a legacy of local skills training as Jamaican workers are being trained to operate and maintain this advanced machinery. What sets BCSL apart is not simply the size of its projects, but the values underpinning its operations. The company's motto, "Your concepts, our solutions," underscores a client-first philosophy that prioritizes collaboration, efficiency, and reliability. Their vision emphasizes long-term sustainability, safety, and technological advancement, ensuring that projects contribute positively to Jamaica's communities while meeting world-class engineering standards. In the wider construction sector, BCSL has become a symbol of innovation and professionalism. Their rise illustrates how young companies, when strategically led and grounded in strong technical expertise, can quickly rival older, more established players. By combining international engineering techniques with local workforce development, BCSL is not only delivering landmark projects but also building capacity for Jamaica's future construction industry. In conclusion, Brothers Concepts and Solutions Limited represents far more than another contractor in Jamaica's booming real estate market. It is a company shaping skylines, driving technology transfer, and expanding opportunities for workers and communities. With its ambitious projects and forward-thinking ethos, BCSL is positioning itself at the heart of Jamaica's modern transformation, making it a key player to watch in years ahead. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.